Our strategic segments are chemicals, pharmaceuticals and high-quality goods. These are all sectors with high-quality standards. Recently, we reinforced our cleaning team with a Swingobot. This innovative solution was proposed to us by Diversey. The advantage of this intelligent robot is its autonomy. Just turn the robot on and it starts working. By freeing up time for other things, the Swingobot allows us to be even more productive. The Swingobot continues to perform well and will maintain its level of quality even after hours of work. Like its performance, its consumption is constant. Thanks to the perfect dose of water and product, the risk of waste is practically non-existent, and this reinforces our ecological intentions. With Diversey's permanent service, we're confident that any problems will be resolved in 24 hours. We're convinced of the benefits of the Swingobot and Diversey's services.